Hi. So I wrote a program for using like PYMOL to do mutagenesis like kind of automatedly, and so here's the program, and I'll show you the input for the program. So what I wanted to input is that like I want the position of the amino acid where I want to change it, and like the amino acids that I want to change, like the amino acid in here too. So if I want to change the amino acid at position 770 to leucine, then I type leucine in here, and aspartate in here. If I want to change it to arginine, then methionine out there. So I can get like very long, like 20 amino acids if you want to. Then I want to then the same thing for like 880, which like I want to change 880 to aspartate, then I do aspartate out here. Then that's the input, and save it as a CSV file, which, yep, comma separated value file. Then I get into PYMOL and input my fave protein in here. This is my favorite protein, and yeah, then I switch to the directory that I'm in. So I call this like PYMOL demo, which has like everything there. And then what I want to do like next is to type in the command create test, then like the name of this protein in here. So I need to make like this like replicate of like my fave protein or whatsoever protein that you want to make, like you want to do a mutagenesis with. Then after that, then I want to type run like my Python script, which is called change residues.py. So here you go. And it kind of like halts a little, like, hey, are you doing any good? Okie dokie. Then I want to like scroll down there, my PYMOL demo file, like I get like a lot of outputs, and here you go. And this is like how many outputs I have. And that's it. So it has like finished like doing like mutagenesis, which is kind of fast for like Windows 7. Then I kind of like want to input like all these to here, which takes some time. So speaking of like these like Excel files, so they are like the position, like the X, Y, and Z position of like the rotamers. So of the atoms of like within like the same like residue. And so after the residue is changed, like rotamer 1, like atom 1 is at like 14.4, then like atom 1 at like rotamer 2 is at like 14.48, and like if I get to like 14.4848, and yep, and someone closed the door. And so pretty much that's that. And yeah, so these are like the states where the residue, like the state of the residue. So because like like when you choose like rotamers, you kind of like press like left and right key, and these are pretty much like left key, like the states, like all the states, they're all out here. And yeah, there are 9 states, and I kind of like inputted like the 9 states, which is shown in the PDB file format in here. Then I kind of like put it in here. So what I want to do is to kind of like hide everything first. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Darn it. There's 1. Cool. Then I want to show like the sticks. And then I want to zoom in, residue 770. So this is residue 770, I assume. I didn't do well in biochem, so so pretty much like so what I've shown you is that okay, let me do all the sticks first. So they will be like all the sticks out there. Sticks. And gets rowdy. Okie dokie. Of course, like, you don't have an amino acid, like, looking like this. So, okay, let's do this one by one. So the original state is like this. Yep, here you go. Then it gets to, like, this is the, rotamer 1. Wait, is it this one? Darn it. I think I need to zoom again because I'm not sure where I'm at right now. And so this would be like rotamer 2, then rotamer 3, rotamer 4. Like, you kind of like see like different conformation they have. Like, this is like rotamer 4 conformation of the protein, then this is rotamer 5 of the protein, then this is like rotamer 6, rotamer 7, rotamer 8, rotamer 9. Yep, so this is how you do it. And yeah, so I kind of like, you kind of can like compare like stuff like side by side, which is kind of cool because like back then, like, you kind of have to like, there will be like 9 states in here and you kind of have to like click this one like a ton, that one a ton, and you don't quite, or at least like I don't quite remember like where I was. And so that's the end of the tutorial, and thank you. Okie dokie. You didn't see.